Hello everyone. We posted this question on 21st of June 2020 and saw that some of the members have also answered, but we didn't see any perfect answer to the question. So we thought we would be solving it, and you might have solved it earlier, or you might be first time you seeing this question. Let's go on. So the question states, in a figure ABCD, it's a square of side 14 centimeter. It's ABCD is a square of 14 centimeter. This length is 14, and in square we know all the sides are equal, so this is also 14, 14 and 14. Semicircles are drawn with each side of a square as diameter, and you can see that this one is a semicircle on AD, and AD is a diameter of this semicircle. Similarly, DC is also an arc that is a semicircle, and similarly BC and AB. You can see these are the four semicircles drawn on each side of the square as a diameter. And then find the area of the shaded region. The question says find the area of shaded region. This one, this one, this one, this one. It's a little complicated figure. We need to to solve it, we need to first understand how we can break this question, how we can break this figure in some simpler form. So let's go to pen and paper. Okay, let's start on pen and paper the solution for the question we explained. The four semicircles are there on each side of a square. Let's simplify this figure to solve it. I have taken these two semicircles only, this one, just to simplify the solution so that we can find solution in a easier way. And this is the shaded part. These two are semicircles. It's a square. We can easily find the area of this semicircle and this semicircle, and also we can easily find the area of this square, and then we can sum up these two and subtract it from the square, right? And if we see the similar figure here for other part, this will be something like this one. Sorry for the figure, I draw some wrong way, just for explanation. It's a similar figure, just you can see similarly we can find the area of square and then area of these two semicircles, and then subtract it from to find the shaded one. And now you see that this one and this one and this one and this one, if we sum it, we will get the whole value of the shaded region. So let's start with this one. Find the area of the square. This is 14 centimeters. So area of square, we know area of square is L square. Someone says side square, whatever you prefer you can say it. Like 14 square is 196. You can multiply it and you can get the 196. And area of semicircle, for this one, this is the diameter 14. So diameter of a semicircle, diameter is 14 centimeter. So radius is always diameter divided by 2. Half of this one is the radius. So 14 by 2 equals to 7 centimeter. And we know area of circle is pi r square, and area of semicircle is pi r square by 2. So pi is 22 by 7, r is 7 square divided by 2, it's 11, and we can cancel out this one. So 11 7s are 154 centimeter square. Sorry, I just calculated wrong way. 77 centimeter square. Okay, this is a semicircle, area of one semicircle, and we have two semicircles here, so we will add up. Since this if we see it a symmetry way, it's the same value. So area of two semicircles equals to 77 plus 77, that is 154 centimeter squares. And similarly for this figure, everything is same, so we'll take the same way. So first calculate this one and we will multiply by 2, then we can get the whole, because it's a similar ones, we can take it as a symmetry. So area of shaded region equals to area of square minus area of this circle, area of this circle. So area of square is 196, we calculated here already. 196 minus 154, it will give us 42 centimeter square. It's for one, and we have to calculate for this one also, it will be similar, so it will be 42 for this one also. And if we add them, we get the whole like area of the whole shaded region of this figure. So it becomes total area of shaded figure equals to 42 plus 42, that is 84 centimeter square. Okay, you might have some questions regarding this. Anywhere, any part of the solution you find difficult to understand, just point out and write in the comment, and we'll try to explain them, explain those comments, like elaborate the solution more, so that you can understand each and every part of this question. Thank you so much for being with us.